Now, if I had to put you out on a limb, would you say that more cloud subscriptions for Business Central have been sold than on-premise?
Hands down, no question about it.
Yeah.
Not even a close comparison. The cloud stuff and the SaaS model is absolutely the way to go. It's certainly Microsoft's direction as a cloud first company, and we'll continue to see more and more of that.
And I love that I heard that for the first time a few years ago now, where Microsoft said we're cloud first. And I can tell you that I think that's huge. Just the fact that there is an on-premise option available. Because although most people, like you're saying, especially today, are going to the cloud, we do run into opportunities where for whatever reason, they can't operate in a cloud. Either maybe they're in aerospace and they've got some ITAR, security requirements. Some of our customers are, believe it or not, still in areas where they don't have reliable high-speed internet.
Mhm.
And in those cases, just to know that, hey, you want to run this on your own server sitting in your building, absolutely, we can give you the same product.
Yeah, it's nice to know the option's still available if they
Right.
need it.
And there's other scenarios too, and again, probably the good reason and the case for the fact that my guess is it's going to be around for quite some time. We've seen stuff like one of Microsoft's big focused markets is government, state, local governments, federal government, and the whole subcontractor, government contractor space where some of these organizations must be running in a secure cloud. And they can't really be on a SaaS model, right? If they're going to go into the cloud, or they need to be somewhere other, even more secure than being on-prem, we're finding a number of companies, and particularly these partners that are focused in the government space and government contractors, taking the on-prem version of something like Business Central and deploying it in the government cloud, so that they got their own private tenant, they've got their own control, but they're in a very secure environment. So lots of good stories for that.
Yep.
So are you going on record saying that the future Business Central roadmap is to include on-premise as well?
Wow, pushing me to the limit. What I will go on record and say is I have not heard of, nor do I see any near-term discontinuation of the on-prem version.
Hear no evil, see no evil.
Yep.
I get it.